Indian Oil, in collaboration with the police department in charge of jails in the country, is introducing a unique program called Parivartan, Prison to Pride. The life-transforming program built around sports has been designed to provide jail inmates currently locked up in many prisons in the country with opportunities, a platform and appropriate support systems that will enable them to make the transition from being criminals to respectable citizens of the nation through their participation and contribution in the field of sports. Parivartan, Prison to Pride, was launched on the 21st of March 2022 at the Shillong District Prison in the state of Meghalaya in an event held online.
And Executive Director Mr. Ramesh, who is here with me, I think I feel that there's no other better way of sending a message to the inmates in the various prisons of India that they are not the unwanted section of society. That society still remembers them, that they are still part of the society. This is a very clear message being sent to them, and for this we owe to Indian Oil. We hope that we continue this partnership with us, and in fact we'll be offering Indian Oil 2 sites to put up a retail outlet, and if everything works out well, our partnership with Indian Oil will continue for a very, very long time. Thank you Indian Oil for this noble venture, and thank you for partnering with us in transforming these lives. Thank you very much, and may Indian Oil continue to prosper. Thank you.
I would now like to request our Indian State Head for seeking permission for launch of Carom coaching camp there.
I'd like to seek the permission of Chairman Sir to launch Parivartan 3.0 in the state of Meghalaya, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead, Ramesh.
Thank you, sir.
Give me the first move.
This is very typical. We've done this in our childhood, arranging the coins, right? We made it in the very first try. Positively aligning towards our CSR initiative. There we see the volleyball being handed over. They would be teaching the prison inmates. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Speaking to the members of the press, Shri Kharkrang said that the Parivartan program initiated by the Indian Oil has been introduced into many jails in different parts of the country, where the inmates are encouraged to participate in sports events and activities within the confines of the prisons.
This is a program which has been initiated by Indian Oil, and they have partnered together with a lot of prisons throughout the country, and they have also chosen Meghalaya prisons also. So this, we are launching it here today, and this will be taken up with the other prisons also. So we will see that this will be carried forward to the other prisons also. And right now, as far as I know, they will be starting with coaching of carom board and volleyball. But we have left it to the inmates themselves, because the thing is, we really don't want to insist on them, and we want to make it as a choice. I mean, if any one of them wants to be a coach in these sports activities, we will take them in. And right now, probably we are looking at around about 70 to 75 of them at the first phase. So this will continue for about a month or so, and we would like to request IOC also, in case after that also, if more of the inmates also are willing to be trained, then please carry forward.
Responding to queries on whether the state has the required space for the implementation of such a program in the prisons run by the state government, Shri Kharkrang said that the Shillong and Tura have the facilities and the space to support the Parivartan program.
We do have space for coaching of volleyball. We do have a space for coaching of badminton, though not football. But other places there, like say Tura prisons and Juwa prisons, we have ample space. So the space that you're looking at is Shillong district prisons only. And yes, I do agree with you, there's a paucity of space here, so that's why we are looking at games where we can accommodate.